Hi, DolphinKicks here, and today we're going to do our third review, which is on the new Jordan 1s that came out, the Air Jordan 1s Bred toes. The Air Jordan 1 Bred toes are a mix between the black toes and the Breds, because they got the Bred toe. They had that part's more like a black toe, and then you got that black tongue, and of course the red toe that's there, that comes from the Bred. You got a really nice smooth leather here, which is really cool. Also on the toe box, some pair are more tumbled than others. I know like pairs that came from the website Nike are more tumbled. You also have a red outsole and a black insole with a red logo, the red Nike Air logo. Inside, these were, the drop for these was pretty weird, because what happened is that the locations from Foot Locker said they were going to be there in every Foot Locker, which was the case. The only thing is that there was, what happened with these is that they came out in Foot Lockers, but they were very limited. So people thought they were going to be a GR, but it was a GR quick strike, which means they were in every Foot Locker, but there was a crazy low amount of pairs. And most of the Foot Lockers and the stores that I know, they had less than a size run available for the public, so that's crazy limited. They also had a late shipment for all the East Coast Foot Lockers, so it means here in Montreal, Toronto, Ottawa, all those Foot Lockers got these pairs late. So the release on the day off, it was pretty crazy, because yeah, there was sneak peek, which the recap you probably saw already, but it was pretty crazy because it was, most of the stock wasn't even there yet, so it was only like local smaller stores that had them, like we have Exclusivity or some Tabac here. And yeah, that's what made the shoe really crazy when it came out, because people thought they were going to be very available for everyone, and then they were just like stupid limited. Of course, as always, we got a few pairs here, and we've been able to like do all the pre-orders once again. And yeah, I'm gonna just show again a little review of what the shoes have. We got some black laces. We also have some replacement laces in red. We got the white midsole. It's more like an and the panel here in white, which is more like an off-white type. It's not a total white. Black wings logo here, and yeah, a regular Jordan 1 box with the Nike in red as always. And that's pretty much it. We also got some shoe trees inside, some cardboard shoe trees. And yeah, the shoe is really nice. The leather is great. I thought it was going to be crazier, but there's some pairs that are more, that have better quality than these. So some of the pairs I have here have better leather than that pair in special, because you can see here that one's pretty smooth, and some other are very more tumbled. Like example, these I can show you right now. The leather here on the gator is almost like a shredded backboard type. It's very smooth. And yeah, you can see that pair is way more tumbled than that one. That one looks more like a black toe type of leather, and you can see that on that one it's really smooth compared to that one. So sometimes it changes depending on the pairs. Some people like it smoother, some people like it more tumbled. It's up to them, but yeah, in general, a really nice shoe. I'm definitely getting a pair for myself. That shoe is going to be like, in my opinion, it's going to go up, because it's a really nice shoe, because it's have like the OG colors on it, red, black, white. You can't go wrong with that. So if you can get like the Chicago's, the Breds, or even the black toes, these are perfect choice. They're easy to wear. with anything, and yeah, just a dope shoe overall. So I'm really like waiting to be able to wear mine in the summer. So probably maybe at the Centrall opening. So yeah, see you soon for a new review or recap. There's a Soul Exchange Mississauga recap coming soon. Also, there's the sneak peek that you probably saw already, but the time we're filming, yeah. And there's also SneakerCon coming, and there's the pop-up 4.0 coming really soon, March 24th, and the video is going to be uploaded before that. So you, at the end, you can see the flyer of the event, so you can come through. We're going to have crazy Supreme, over 200 pieces, or over 200 pieces minimum, and a lot of Jordan ones. We have a few. We're getting even more. A lot of shoes, good deals. I'm gonna bring some nice accessories in the Supreme, and yeah, the current signers are bringing some dope heat. So see you there, and come early because I think there's going to be a lineup. Peace.